Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Heto ang PBA Recap Game Result. November 12, 2023, panalo ang Northport Batangas kontra sa Rain Ocean Elasto Panthers 113-103. Top performer si Arvin Tolentino sa kanyang 35 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, 4 steals. Nag-ambag naman ng 30 points, 21 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal, 1 block si Vin Katisha Joyce. JM Calma 11 points, 5 rebounds. Joshua Monson 15 points, 4 assists. Cade Flores 10 points, 9 rebounds. Para naman sa natalong Rain Ocean Elasto Panthers, Dawan Summers 32 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, 5 blocks. Bobelga 10 points, 8 rebounds. Andre Caraco 13 points, 5 assists. Santillan 15 points, 7 rebounds. Reynam Batak 11 points, 3 rebounds. Tinalo naman ang Magnolia Hotshots ang Phoenix Fuel Masters 107-92. Top performer naman si Tyler Bay sa kanyang 32 points, 16 rebounds, 3 steals. Paul Lee 13 points, 2 assists. Gio Halalon 20 points, 8 rebounds, 3 steals. Mark Baroka 15 points, 8 assists. Para naman sa Phoenix Fuel Masters, Jonathan Williams 26 points, 13 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals, 2 blocks. JV Mocon 11 points, 6 rebounds. Ken Tofin 11 points, 5 rebounds. Perkins 11 points, 3 rebounds. JJ Alejandro 15 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. November 11, 2023, panalo naman ang Meralco Bolts kontra sa Blackwater Bossing 91-84. Top performer si Sulaiman Brimo sa kanang 40 points, 16 rebounds, 3 steals. Clifford Hodge 9 points, 13 rebounds. Bong Quinto 9 points, 3 assists. Diego Dario 8 points, 2 assists. Chris Newsome 7 points, 6 assists. Para naman sa Blackwater, Chris Ortiz 29 points, 6 rebounds, 4 steals. Ray Suerte 10 points, 7 rebounds. Mike Ayon 9 points. Tyrus Hill 8 points, 2 rebounds. Gab Banal 8 points, 2 rebounds. Tinalo naman ang TNT Tropang Gigang Converge 5 or 6ers sa isang overtime 101-98. Top performer naman si Jason Castro sa kanyang 23 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists. Calvin Oftana 19 points, 5 rebounds. Glenn Cobontin 10 points, 11 rebounds. Hollis Jefferson 14 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists. Ponferrada 12 points, 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Converge, Thomas Budanovic 25 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals, 1 block. Mactalio 9 points, 5 rebounds. Arana 12 points, 6 rebounds. Balanza 18 points, 2 assists. Dishoney Winston 8 points, 7 rebounds. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 15, 2023 nagaganapin sa Inaris Center, Antipolo. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Tira Firma Jeep at Blackwater Bossing alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game naman, magharap ang San Miguel Bermin kontra sa Inlex Road Warriors alas 8 ng gabi. November 17, 2023, nagaganapin naman sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sa first game, magtuto sa Magnolia Hotshots kontra sa Northport Batangas alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game naman, maglalaban ng Barangay Ginebra at Converge 5 or 6ers alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ngayon. Magnolia Hotshots 2 wins 0 loss. Northport Batangas 2 wins 0 loss. Meralco Bolts 2 wins 0 loss. Blackwater Bossing 1 win 1 loss. Phoenix Fuel Masters 1 win 1 loss. TNT Tropang Giga 1 win 1 loss. Tira Firma Jeep 0 win 1 loss. Enlex Road Warriors 0 win 1 loss. Rain Ocean Elasto Panthers 0 win 2 losses. Converge 5 or 6ers 0 win 2 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.